This little boy was competing in a strongest man challenge. When he reached the tug-of-war against a boat, the goal was simple: hold on for as long as possible while the boat tried to pull him away. He even sat inside a giant tire to give himself a better chance. But there was one thing he was worried about: the rope. Some people argued that the challenge wasn't as impressive as it looked because of the physics involved, but they didn't expect what this boy would do next. But first, who do you think is the GOAT of football? If it's Lionel Messi, leave a heart and hit subscribe. If it's Cristiano Ronaldo, comment "see you." Now watch closely. The boy held on and somehow managed to keep fighting against the boat far longer than anyone expected.